La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP Plus Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream is my #1 pick. But choosing the richest formula by default can make your routine needlessly heavy. Choose your routine role, then match the texture. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Do you actually want another layer between cleansing and moisturizing? If yes, I'd pick this for its lightweight serum format and controlled application. You use 2 drops before moisturizer, so the bottle doesn't need much storage space beside your basics. But that small dose approach can feel fussy if you prefer spreading product generously. It also adds another item to replace and another step to remember. So this isn't the practical choice for routine minimalists. Skip it if cleanser and moisturizer already feel like enough, or if separate serum layers usually sit unused. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Face Cleanser. Picture washing your face with something closer to lotion than bubbly soap. That's the appeal here, and I choose it for someone who dislikes conventional foaming washes. The creamy soap-free format gives this cleanser a distinct role without complicating the rest of your routine. But texture expectations matter more than the product name. If foam signals clean to you, this may feel unsatisfying even when used as intended. It also won't replace a moisturizer because its job remains cleansing. Skip it if you want a lighter wash texture, or enjoy a noticeable lather. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is my easier recommendation for anyone who hates a heavy final layer. It's lightweight and non-greasy, with a focused roll across your face and neck. Because it suits morning and evening use, one product can occupy that same routine slot throughout the day. That keeps the setup straightforward without adding a separate daytime and nighttime texture. But lightweight is also the compromise. I wouldn't pick it for someone who actively wants a substantial cream or broader body use. Skip it if richness matters more than a barely there finish. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Lipikar AP Plus Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. Compared with the face-only options, this one earns its place through flexibility. I'd pick it for someone who wants one substantial, unscented cream for both face and body. That broader roll can reduce the number of separate moisturizers competing for storage space. Its thick texture also makes the choice clear before you buy. This isn't trying to disappear instantly or mimic a lightweight lotion. But that richness can feel like too much if you prefer a quick, barely there application. Skip it when low-weight texture matters most. Otherwise, it's the most practical all-around pick here. Choose Hyalu B5 for a separate serum step, Toleriane cleanser for creamy washing, and double repair for lightweight face moisturizing. Choose Lipikar when one thick, unscented cream for face and body sounds more useful. Before buying, decide which routine slot you're filling and whether you prefer creamy, lightweight, or thick textures. Consider storage and replacement overlap, then check current formats and availability. I default to Lipikar for its face and body flexibility, but switch to double repair when a lighter facial finish matters more. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine sorted.